Welcome to TechMates. In today's tutorial, I show you how to change the delivery address on your Amazon orders. First thing first, launch your app. Get logged into your account. Now, if you would like to just update your delivery address and if the order has not been placed yet, you may go ahead, select this deliver to. You will see it under home section at your top page. All you have to do is tap onto it and select manage address book and simply change your location. But in case if the order has already been placed and if you would like to change the address of that order, select use section or the profile icon. Then select orders. Under orders, you will see all the orders that are still pending or have not been delivered to your location. And you will see view or edit orders. In my case, I don't have any order, but you will definitely see it under your orders. All you have to do is view or edit order button. And from there, you will also see change under your delivery address. Do that, and that is how you will be able to change your delivery address. Thank you all for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe to TechMates for more daily tutorials. If you want a guaranteed answer to your questions, join our TechMates membership today. Members get priority responses to their comments and questions. The link is right down below.